Are you also planning for flapless LASIK surgery in 2026? So in 2026, flapless vision correction technology has reached a whole new level. Previously, excimer-based options like SmartSurf and Customize were available for flapless LASIK. Both were effective, but due to surface ablation, they caused some discomfort and had longer healing times. Now the landscape has completely changed thanks to the next generation lenticule based Clear Neo, which is an upgraded, smarter and safe version of the FDA approved Clear technology. In this advanced procedure, the laser removes an ultra precise disc shaped lenticule from inside the cornea without touching the surface. Since the surface remains completely intact, there is almost zero pain, no need for a bandage, and healing starts from the next day. Patients can resume their routine life the very next morning without stitches, irritation, or any downtime for recovery. Eyemantra is the only hospital in North India bringing this Clear Neo technology. Compared to older lenticule procedures like Smile and Silk, Clear Neo has many improvements. The most important one is low energy laser. Clear Neo uses only 2 to 4 nanojoules of energy, while Smile Silk uses up to 40 to 50 nanojoules. The benefits of low energy include less heat on the cornea, almost no swelling, faster healing, and a more comfortable surgery experience. Clear Neo also features overlapping laser spots, making the tissue cut very smooth. This makes the surgery easier and the recovery faster. Its nanospot size is 100 times smaller than other procedures, which means gentler treatment and a sharper vision. Clear Neo customizes energy use for each patient. It uses less energy at the center and slightly more at the sides, resulting in a perfect cut and excellent vision clarity. Next is cyclotorsion compensation, a feature that makes Clear Neo even more advanced. If the eye slightly rotates during the surgery, the system automatically adjusts the laser. This ensures better astigmatism correction and accuracy. The machine design is also very user-friendly. Unlike bulky machines, it doesn't cause any pressure sensation. Additionally, the built-in OCT provides the surgeon with a live, high-quality view, improving the precision. Most importantly, since no flap is created, the risk of flap-related problems and dry eyes are minimized. You can resume your normal activities from the next day after the surgery. So if you also want to get rid of your glasses, Clear Neo LASIK is a reliable option. Call our helpline today to book a free consultation. If you have any questions related to eye diseases or surgery, feel free to ask us in the comments below.